Good morning. We are back. Welcome back to I Love Dogs, and this is breakfast time. So I'm going to get his food. And hopefully you can see this. And so, there we go. He's waiting patiently. Good boy. All right, hold on. Aye. And this morning, as usual, we're going to give him the release word so he can start eating. All right. You are such a good boy. Good boy, take it. Good boy, take it. Good boy. Yeah, take it. Good boy. All right. Hopefully you guys can see him eating. If not, my apologies. Good boy. Did you enjoy it? Aren't you a good boy? Yes. And there you have it. Good boy had his breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, yeah, I can talk. If you did enjoy it, please press the like button and hit the subscribe button also. Thanks again. GoPro, stop recording.